Good morning students. Yesterday we have completed exercise 3.1. Today first we will discuss about what is prime number and composite number. Prime and composite numbers. Here numbers and their factors and number of factors are given. Factor of 1 is 1, factor of 2 are 1 and 2, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, factors of 5 are 1 and 5, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Therefore, number of factors of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 2, 4 is 3, 5 is 2 and 6 is 4. From the table, we have find that the number 1 has only one factor, that is itself, and there are numbers having exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. Here the factors of 2 are 1 and 2 itself, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, factors of 5 are 1 and 5 itself. That is only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. And these numbers are prime numbers. There are numbers having more than two factors like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. These numbers have more than two factors and these numbers are called composite numbers. So prime numbers, the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Prime numbers from 1 to 100 as follows: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So they are prime numbers. Composite numbers. The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. Their factors are more than 2. Please note, 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number, and prime number starts from 2 and 2 is the smallest prime number and 4 is the smallest composite number which has more than two factors. So the numbers which has only two factors are called prime numbers and the numbers which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. Now let us discuss what are even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Observe the below patterns in the numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We know these are multiples of 2. Here numbers from 1 to 14 are given and we know multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. And each of them is a multiple of 2 and these are called even numbers. The numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. The rest of the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 etc. are called odd numbers. What is even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. These are multiples of 2 and when we divide these numbers by 2, we will get remainder as 0 and such numbers are called even number and 2 is the smallest even number. And the numbers which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. When we divide this number by 2, we will get a remainder. So such numbers are odd numbers. And smallest odd number is 1. Observe the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Here 2 is the smallest prime number. And we have already discussed 2 is the smallest even number. Therefore 2 is the smallest prime number, which is even number. The other prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. All of these numbers are odd. Therefore, the other prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are all odd. Thus, we can say that every prime number except 2 is odd. What do you mean by the term twin? Twin means one of a pair of things that are same or similar. So, our next topic is twin primes. Twin primes. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Example, 1 and 3. They are prime numbers and their difference 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 1 and 3 are twin primes. Twin primes are numbers whose difference is 2. Another example, 3 and 5. They are prime numbers and their difference is 2. 11 and 13, their difference is 2. 41 and 43, their difference is 2. And they are twin primes. Today we have discussed what are prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, twin primes. So write all these defines in your notebook with examples. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.